Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your existing account on the Shein application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Shein application on your device. And once it is opened up, if you haven't already logged into your account, you might be asked to log in using your credentials. If you don't see this option, you can tap on the Me option at the bottom right corner and you will see the sign in/register option. Go ahead and tap on this and you will be asked to enter your email address or choose your Google or Facebook account. After entering your email address, you can click on the next button and then you will be asked to enter your password. Go ahead and type in your account password underneath within the password box and then click on the sign in button. You will now be logged in to your account on Shein app right away. In case you have forgotten your password, you will also find the option to reset your password within the password screen, which you can tap on to reset your credentials. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your existing account on the Shein app. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.